everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share you my top 5 lip balms. It's winters, it's cozy, we need something for our lips better. So I just wanted to share my top 5 lip balms which I use daily and I just love them. So let's get started. So I have my 5 lip balms which I love. So I'll start from the roll-ons one. So the first lip balm is the Body Shop's Vitamin E Stick. It's in roll-on version. I love this lip balm for the fact that it's matte. Yes, a lip balm can be matte. There are days when I apply matte lipstick, so before applying a matte lipstick, you need something quite hydrating. And at the same time, you don't need that shine again because you're applying a matte lipstick, so you want that matte effect on your lips. But the other lip balms gives that glossy effect, and obviously you have to take off that gloss effect before applying that lipstick. So in this case, you do not need to take off the excess balm. You just have to top it off with your matte lipstick. For that case, I love this lip balm, and the fragrance is so bloody nice. It's again vanilla, and I love vanilla. I don't really remember the prices of any of the lip balm, but I'll put it in the description box below. The second lip balm in the roll-on version is this Lakme Lip Love. I have the strawberry version. I love this lip balm because of the smell. It smells like you're just eating the strawberry. It has a hint of color and just moisturizes your lip very nicely, and I like it. The third lip balm in my roll-on version is this new Maybelline Lips Candy Wow. I am the shade Raspberry. Maybelline has recently launched 5 shades of this baby lips, and I love all the shades, but I just wanted a single one because why don't you need a 5 lip balm of the same category? So I just picked this raspberry version and I am loving it. Right now I've applied it and it gives the hint of a pink, and the best part is when it goes off, it has that pink color on your lips, which shows that it feels your lips are naturally pink. So it's just beautiful, and its smell is also very nice, and it's like roll-on and quite handy also. Beautiful. So after completing the roll-on version, I am here to these 2 beauties. The first one is from the Body Shop. It's the Born Lippy. It's the most common lip balm used by, I think, every second person is using this, and I am also in that range. So I just love it. It's in strawberry flavor. I like that raspberry one also, but I like this more. Gorgeous. Saving the last and the best. Out of 5, I love this. It's like bottle, no. It's the Oriflame Tender Care. This is like my holy grail product. I want this. I cannot just live without this. And it comes in, this is the basic one. It comes in one blackcurrant and I think one vanilla. So blackcurrant is also very nice, but this basic one, I just want it every time. I need this in my handbag wherever I am going, and it doesn't have any smell, any fragrance, just basic lip balm. But the fact that I love this is due to its texture. Its texture is like whenever you apply it, you don't feel that you have applied anything on your lips, but eventually your lips become so good, and it's like the name suggests, it's tender care. So it's taking care of your lips very nicely, and I love it. So that's it for my video of my top 5 lip balms. Do let me know which one was your favorite, and please please subscribe to my channel and like this video.